Hey guys, it's Angelo. So you wanted to make a website for your business or blog and talk about your passion and make money online, right? Along the way, some passive income. Okay, let's get you going. First thing you want to do is to really start and register your website name, or they call it domain name. You want to select a reliable hosting server. Okay, this is where your website lives. Okay, let's go to website and get the steps. Let's go to igowebsolutions.com, and here let's go and register your website name with SiteGround. This is 70% off if you register your website. And here, let's get started with the web hosting. And let's start. I recommend to grow big because you can have unlimited websites. You know, 25,000 visits, 20 gig. You have free SSL and a daily backup for your websites. You also get free email that you want to create. Now, let's go ahead and get plan and check our website. So this is where you want to check your website name if you want to register your website name. So let's register your website name. Type your website name, select .com. This is like $15. This is for your website name. And here is your account information to fill out, client information, payment information for your website registration, and this is our hosting services. This is where your website lives. So let's select 12 months. It's a grow big plan. Now I recommend the domain privacy because you don't want some random people emailing you and stuff like that asking you about your domain name. So let's go ahead and check that, and let's confirm and pay now to register your website name.